button on the front side.
Okay.
Big little button. Because it's going to get active. Get it out as fast as I can.
Oh.
And that's only because we did the dermaplane. Remember, we did all the extra. And we're going to take it off in just a minute. Get it
Okay.
off. Okay. Is it self-neutralizing, like getting a little better? Or is
Not
it still,
really.
Not really? Okay, so I know it's time to get the ice. So we'll only do one pass. And get some ice right.
Okay.
We're gonna calm it down instantly.
I'm okay, I'm okay. It's starting to die down.
See how the cotton, oh not cotton, but the pads kind of slippery over your skin. That's your new skin. That's
good.
So normally, like, sponges don't just glide over people's skin. When you feel like kind of clinging and graspy, yeah, that's regular skin.
Good.
But this is your new baby skin coming to the surface. And it may get a little spicy just because I'm introducing water.
Okay.
It's actually kind of flushing it down into the skin even more. Okay. But that will subside. It'll go away.
Okay.
So the only downtime is from any chemical peel is about 2 to 4 hours.
Okay, no problem.
In the house.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do anything anyway.
Good.
I'm not going out or putting makeup on or anything. I'm good.
Yeah, because there's a lot of people who go right out to the ocean. I'm like, wait a minute, you're going on vacation tomorrow? Like, no, this is really gonna mess your face up. You gotta have at least a couple of hours of downtime, like maybe 6, give or take. And then some people go into a chlorine-filled pool. They go swimming. Like, oh God,
no, not me.
That will not. Oh yeah, we had one lady. She came in because she said she was gonna swim right after, and we didn't believe her. We're like, oh, you know, whatever. No, she did. And she came in the same, like a couple hours later. We were all about to go home, and her face was bright red, like crab red, like red. I'm like, chlorine plus chemical peel does not make.
No.
Chlorine is stronger than because it kills germs. I mean, it kills everything.
Yeah.
Nothing lives in chlorine, not even Corona.
Right.
Nothing. Like, it's really that potent. And depending on if they just filled that pool up with chlorine, depending on how long, you know, if it's fresh. Oh yeah. Because even when you go to amusement parks, that chlorine is still, it's strong, but it's dumbed down a little bit. But some, like hotel pools and stuff like that, oh yeah, they use really, really strong chlorine formulas. Like, it's really, like, super strong. had people go to Aruba, swim in the salty water. I'm like, okay, chemical peel plus salt. We told you to stay away from certain things, at least for 24 hours. Then let your because new skin cells grow within 12 hours for some superhumans. Like yours is probably going to be 12 hours, your new skin. And then for some people, slower, it takes up to about 24 hours for your new skin to get back to normal. So you're resistant. And this is only a 10% glycolic. So I don't want to use a lactic. It's just a polisher. It's a lightener.
Oh, I don't even want lactic. Yeah, I'm scared of that.
Yeah, it's good for some people's skin. I would say more oily lactics are great.
Okay, I
for
gotcha.
me, yeah, lactic works, but glycolic penetrates deeper. That's why you feel the sting immediately. It's like, oh crap, why is this? Like, yeah, because it's a thinner molecule, which means it breaks through the skin barriers very fast. That's the good thing about glycolics, and it's a BHA. Beta hydroxys.
Yes, beta hydroxy
are higher than AHAs.
Got it.
Everybody thinks that's backwards. Like A is higher than B on the alphabet. I'm like, yeah, it is, but A is just the start.
Right.
B is the second level, is higher. And you would go to C, which would be a TCA. If you think about it. If we're going up the alphabet, it's going to be more. The C, laser, and all sorts of stuff, cosmetic surgery. From a scale of 1 to 10, is it calming down a little bit?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay.
I'm really good right now. It's just a little bit. It's
yeah.
Nothing I can't handle.
Good. Yeah, and it's supposed to be a little tingly because, like I said, it's in the skin.
Okay.
No matter how much water you put on somebody's face, if there's a penetrating peel or whatever chemical you put on the face, it's in there. Like water can't even follow through with it.
It's okay.
So it's going to be a little spicy, just not as much.
No, it's fine.
Pass, and we're good. And then we'll put a cooling gel for healing, or it's a serum basically, but it's just in a gel form.
Okay.
Serum's always good. They're just a lot of highly packed, like vitamin E, vitamin C, antioxidants, collagen builder. That's what a serum really is. It's like 5 or 10 different things all into one. And that's why they cost a fortune too. Like serums are always going to be expensive. You're basically adding in the best of the best.
Okay.
Let's do that right now. There we go. And the only reason why it's going to make it runny because your face is hot. You know what I mean? So you'll feel it running down. Because a gel's a gel, but then when gels break down, that means there's heat on the face, which was the peel. And so you'll feel a little bit of running down and try to get all of it. Just get it into the skin.
It's okay.
And see, and that's the true power of a chemical peel. When things melt even on your face, like, okay, this is working. Yes, it is. Go to a dermatologist or whoever's going to do your facial next, or even if it's not me, there's nothing wrong with getting treatments from other people. That's really great because now you're seeing everybody else's work and you have more of a selection. It's perfect.
Well, I mean, if they take this thing off my foot, I'll come to you, but if they don't, you have to come back.
Right. No problem.
You have to come back.
I definitely will. Yeah, I'm glad you reached out to me.
Yeah,
perfect.
me too.
No, seriously, it's actually perfect timing, and I kind of hope COVID lasts a little bit long. Not affecting people or killing people, but that we can actually have this downtime.
Exactly.
Because I never thought about doing home services. I never thought about going to people's house. But now it's actually a good thing.
Good.
I like it. Because if the office opens back up, then 2 people could be there. We can do how much.
Right.
This is something I never thought about. So this is going to be hyaluronic acid.
Okay.
So the hyaluronic acid is just...
I love hyaluronic acid. I use it. I have my own.
Oh, wonderful. And this is a 2% hyaluronic. Just mean the thick consistency. 2%
Okay.
doesn't mean like the efficacy or the effectiveness of it.
Okay.
It just means how gooey or runny it is.
Okay.
There's some that are like more like watery.
Mhm.
Not saying that they're bad. It's just it runs off the face. It doesn't have time to do its job properly.
Got you.
So the thicker, then yeah, it stays on your face more.
Okay.
Penetrates throughout.